Time once again for the Law and You here on Election Day. Back with us tonight, we have attorneys Corey Suda, who is here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli in the Virtual Law Center. Gentlemen, we appreciate you being here.
Hey, listen, go vote. If you haven't voted, go vote because, you know, tomorrow, don't complain if you didn't vote. Go out and vote. Exercise your right to vote.
Good advice. All right, our question tonight, we've got more good advice coming your way. Dan in Freeland, we're going to try to help you out. Dan says, I live in Pennsylvania. I was involved in a tractor-trailer crash in Georgia. Do I have to bring a lawsuit in Georgia? How does that work out for Dan?
You do not. As a matter of fact, Corey's actually, you know, we're handling a case right now. Corey was actually working on drafting the complaint. So even though the crash happened in Georgia, you're a Pennsylvania resident. I don't think he told us where the tractor-trailer company was, but you have a number of different options. You could sue where the crash happened. You could sue where the tractor-trailer company is either incorporated or does a substantial amount of business in. So if that's Pennsylvania, then you could certainly bring the case in Pennsylvania, which is, you know, the case that we're working on right now. But the answer is no, you don't necessarily have to bring it in Georgia.
Yeah, and in order to find that information out, obtaining a copy of the police report is absolutely crucial, because the police report will tell you who the entity that hit you, where the tractor-trailer owner is from, and where it's incorporated at, and then we could do research to see if, you know, they do conduct business in Pennsylvania, and that way you don't have to travel to Georgia to file this lawsuit.
And legal advice, it is a phone call or a visit to the website away with, of course, Results Mattering and attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here
Dave,
today.
thank you.
All right, easy to get a question here on the Law and You. You can hit up the Law and You hotline. That phone is always ringing off the hook, or check us out at PAHomepage.com.